mana bundan oldingi darsimizda what do you like about the area ni ko'rib chiqdik. Endi what do you like degan savolga sizlar quyidagi strukturani qo'yib turib, misol uchun what do you like about mountains, what do you like about school, what do you like about university va hokazo kelsa, mana shu yerdagi strukturani olib davom ettirishlar mumkin. Misol uchun what do you like, what o'tgan zamonda deb qolish mumkin. What did you like about school? Maktabda nimasini yoqtirdilaring desa, sizlar endi o'tgan zamonda javob berib turib, I enjoyed canteens, school canteens, maktabdagi kantinlar yoqardi. Because the food there was organic when I was a student. And we really enjoyed food because we felt really hungry after a game of football. Footballdan keyin charchadik, bor ovqatlanardik. I really liked friendly students because they usually helped in difficult situations when we came across difficult problems related to science. Another good thing is another good thing was teachers who find approachable way to deal with problematic behaviors. Tushunasizlarmi? Endi nima demoqchiman? Bu strukturani sizlar nafaqat Gulistonga ishlatishlar mumkin, balki what do you like bilan qanday savol berishdan qat'iy nazar hamma joyda ishlatishimiz mumkin ekan. E'tiborlaringiz uchun rahmat. Bizni keyingi videolarda kuzatib qolinglar. Ko'rishguncha xayr.